Hi, this is Chris Edney with Sigma Squared. Today I want to show you a handy trick that will probably make you more efficient in Excel. It allows you to view two parts of the same workbook at the same time. Now this is a trick that I didn't know for a long time, and I want to explain today how it works. Before I knew about this, if I wanted to reference a different part of the same workbook, what I would have to do is click on a different tab and see if I can find what I'm looking for. Now, while that's not so bad, it's not the most efficient way to do it. Today, for this example, I'm going to borrow a free financial modeling case from my friends at Financial Modeling World Cup. If you haven't gone here yet, this is a great place to find a lot of free materials to get great practice with financial modeling. Today, I'm going to be downloading Cake to Bake, and I'll put a link in the description of this video for you to be able to do the same thing. Here I have my Cake to Bake model and I'm building out my forecast. But in order to do it well, I need to reference my Assumptions tab. It would be very handy if I could look at my Assumptions tab and my Forecast tab at the same time. Here's how you do it. You go up to the top of your screen and you click on View, and then over here you click New Window. Now what this does is this has created a second view of my original workbook. It added a -2 at the end of the one that I just created, and it added a -1 at the original. So I'm going to move this, I'm going to move number 2 over to the right of my screen. I'm going to move the first one over to my left. And now I can pull up my forecast and look at my assumptions at the same time. Now, I really like being able to do this. And here's something that I actually just found out recently. I can look at different views of even the same tab and reference it. Check this out. If I come here and I want to reference C8, see how it doesn't even reference a different tab? It's just C8. Anyway, I hope you like this handy trick. It's helped me out a lot, and I hope it helps you too. If you like this video, be sure and click the like button. And if you like more videos like this, be sure to follow me. Thank you so much.